it's the location of our foreign dean offices, both 7 faculty and 6 faculty. So after 3 o'clock, you can find here a lot of students because they are waiting for the meeting with dean or vice dean. But now, time of practical classes, that is why you see there are no people as there. Yes, let's go to next floor. A library, scientific library, modern library with modern equipment for preparation for practical classes. And of course, all foreign students, they can come free and to prepare him or herself to practical classes. You have a lot of computer classes, a lot of books, a lot of programs. So just we need students and their wish to study something. No, right now you can see this entrance to the library. Maybe the students, they don't have classes or they need to prepare to something. Hello guys. Hello. Can we make the small video for India? So what can you tell us? I see some workbooks on your table. So what are you doing here now?
No, actually, we just have, after like 12:25, we have our social medicine class.
So you would like to prepare yourself to these classes, yes? So can you show us this working copybook?
Yeah, sure. So, like social medicine part 2, like the last semester we were having part 1. This is mine. We just completed our first 2 classes. So we done the 2 classes and we are planning for the third one. Like this topic, yeah. Today's topic 4th. We'll plan for topic 4 today.
So which course you are from?
Now we are all on 5th course.
Fifth course.
Yeah.
So I understood that you have passed Krok 2 years ago and maybe several words. It was very hard or it was okay because you were ready for Krok.
Actually, the croc was like it's not very hard, but it was okay. It's like if the students will start their preparation in the third year only, like in the beginning of the like first semester, the croc is very easy then. Or it's more better if they will start in their first year only because everyone know now day after day the level of croc is increasing, and they are now giving very good questions now. So according to me, if the students are coming better, they start in first year only. And if because if they will start in first year, they will gain more confidence and they can prepare for other exams like IFORM, USMLE, P Lab, and there are lots of exams, so they can prepare for that. So
We are trying to do all the best for you.
sorry.
We are trying to do all the best. And
Thank you.
after that you can be ready.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And you see, this video is like free. You can make
Okay.
possibility of our library. What can we propose for our students? And all literature in English. In English. Internal medicine, for example, pediatric surgery, new modern book for our students.
The books whatever available in the library you will be displaying here.
Yes, of course. Some of them students they can take and use them in their house, but some of them they're able to reach only here.
So what I feel is an extra place where students apart from the library they
Yes,
have an extra space to
Yes.
sit and study.
of course, and free Wi-Fi, of course. Not for games, but maybe for preparation, if they need to find some additional material or to use some educational programs, of course, they can do this. And we can go to other room. I will show you other rooms and possibility of our library, okay? So you see, very modern and new library. And in front of us, reading hall. Reading hall, students, they can read, they can write some notes, and they can use also computers. I don't want to enter and disturb them because, no, I didn't ask special permission, but you can make a video. Come. More close, yes. Very serious students, most of them Ukrainian SAC, don't see international. Yes, of course, they can use them free, yes. And we have special educational programs for example, USMLE, they can try to read this task and to make like exam. You're making videos. We are going on the third floor. It's histology department. Histology, it's a science about tissues in our body. So, first of all, student from the first course must know the structure of our body. And after that, he is able go on the next floor, physiology, my own department, because physiology, this is a science about function of all our structures and organs. So first of all, a structure, and after that only functions, okay? So let's go. Histology.
మెడికల్ యూనివర్సిటీ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఉన్నాము. సో మనం చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ బిగ్ హ్యూజ్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ మోర్ దెన్ 100+ students sitting in one slot, which is all mix of the different students from the all the countries. Okay, so we will be just having a professor coming down with this lecturer, and it's like completely centralized classrooms with the digital things. You see with a very big screen which is coming up. Okay, we'll having a lecturer, small lecturer. With that we will be taking a video and which helps them. చూశాను కదండి మన క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉందో కార్కివ్ నేషనల్ మెడికల్ యూనివర్సిటీది. లైక్ 100 కన్నా ఎక్కువ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ఎట్ ఏ టైం లెక్చర్ అయినే కెపాసిటీ ఉంది. లెక్చర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వీళ్ళకి బ్యాచెస్ డివైడ్ చేస్తారు ప్రాక్టికల్స్కి ఎవ్రీథింగ్. బట్ లెక్చర్ టైమ్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఓన్లీ వన్ టైమ్ ఎట్ ఎ బిగ్ నంబర్ ది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్. సో ఐ జస్ట్ షో యూ మనకి ది స్క్రీన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి ఏంటి అనేది.
In 1858 in Belgium was the first international statistical congress. He is also considered the founder of the study of the average values. Again, we can make associated name of Adolf Quatet with the translation of social statistics from the collection and quantification of the data to the establishment of correlation dependencies between our phenomena. The name of this analysis, what about this analysis, speak to you later in our classes and our lecture. The name of this analysis is correlative and regressive analysis for statistical research. Work of Adolf Quatet influenced the establishment of statistics in other countries where such special statistical organizations were being created. And now we have fifth stage for forming fifth historical stage forming statistics. Name of the stage for the stage characterized
చూశారు కదండి మనం లోపల కాలేజ్ లోపల ఉన్నాము. like complete back side we are in where lecturer అవుతుంది.
At this time, in the biology of the proof of the scientific theory of Charles Darwin, set to the scientists various theoretical and declared problems. To solve these problems, and objective methodological tools was required, which became statistical methods, which gave a strong impetus to the development of biometrics. The leading rule was played above all by the English school of biologists Franz Galton and Carl Pearson. The school was under the influence of the brilliant work of Charles Darwin and carried out a revolution in biology. Now the slide in the picture, the scientist Francis Galton. I will not tell to you about years life. You can see it in brackets. It's British pathologist and anthropometrist made a great contribution to the theory of statistics in particular. The first to apply statistical analysis in the biology of man and psychology. Francis Galton was the first to introduce mathematical and statistical methods in the biology and psychology. Created statistical methods that became the basis of factor analysis. He also developed a theory of correlations and developed a methodology of genealogy analysis. Francis Galton, in first time in a work, used the method of studying twins in biology and psychology, twins analysis method. He was one of the founders of experimental psychology and was the first to introduce it psychological tests and questions. Next scientist from this stage, it is Carl Pearson. A significant contribution to the development of statistics was made by the English scientist. Carl Pearson was known for the so-called Pearson criteria.
So we just visited one very important lecture as for me. It's social medicine lecture. Some part of history, maybe history of medicine and biostatistic. Maybe some students, they think that this is like not very important or not interested subject, but from the start of our discussion you were asking me how many Indian students are there, what is the amount of them, what is their success, who will analyze this everything by a statist. So we need this statistic for some educational moment.
Right, it's really I see inside the classroom a lot of Indians I found out.
Lecture hall. It's a lecture. It's not practical class.
Okay.
This is a lecture.
Okay, this is the lecture subject. We are just had a small video we have taken. So the professor, I mean, what I see, very senior professor, right, who will be giving the lecture on the topics, and the students who are sitting far also they have the very good infrastructure, right? If you see small and the big board, and with a completely mic surrounded by it, and also to have a normal temperature, this centralized heater come AC which is there. So really it's an awesome place for the students to comfortably sit and listen the lecture.
And after this lecture, they can use some knowledge during practical classes. So right now, I would like to show you physiology practical classes, and we will go to one of classroom. Okay.
Okay, sure.
I see there are dentist students are there in this classroom, and their teacher, Madam Olga, please. Hello, Madam Olga. Hello. So several words about this group and about the topic of class for today.
This is 5 and 6, 5 group, stomatology faculty, and first lesson.
First topic today, yes? So introduction to physiology, membrane ion theory, rest and action potential. So if they can understand this topic today, they can understand in future mechanism of heart contraction, ACG, electrocardiography. So as for me, it's very important topic and very interesting, of course. So, what about success of these students? Are they ready to discuss this topic? Did they listen maybe the same material during lecture? Or they came to us like first visit today and they're absolutely not ready? What do you think?
The student discuss it. This is
So there are their picture. So look, please, on the blackboard. They drew something. That is why they know maybe something about this. I see a picture of action potential. I see a picture the changing of excitability during excitation. I see a structure of neurons.